saan ako nagpapaihi ng aso kasi meron akong kukunin yung mga tuyong roots kasi kailangan niya sa project niya sa English.
I saw Meebo's wing. It's like down.
Yes.
And I don't think he can control the wing, only the other wing. Yes.
So dito kami.
Look,
And then yes.
look at.
And then we will bring yung mga ano pa, tuyong mga dahon kasi kailangan namin. You see the boy?
Yeah. I'm wondering who's abandoning them? Who's abandoning them?
Their parents.
Their parents?
That's why you need to study well.
Sure, they got rent and then
They,
something else.
may avocado din dito pero wala pang bunga. Maliit pa siya. Got tree. Dala kang habibe. Hindi, kulang at ang plastic natin kung kailangan natin ng soil.
How are we gonna get soil inside the plastic?
We'll see.
Yeah, why is there shoe in there? So shoe.
Be careful the car. Kagabi kasi naglalakad kami ng mga aso kahapon pala. May nakita kong dry na ano dito, maganda na pang ano ba sa project niya. Lika dito anak kami. Here. This one oh, ito guys oh. Nakita ko kagahapon. Kumuha ako ng
Here's where you get the branches.
yes. Ito, we will put the camera here.
You know what's better than using cuts? Than using scissors? My hands.
Careful with God. No, not like this. Look your shoes.
I know.
Kunin namin ito, magkolekta kami ng mga dry ano.
I guess we found the place where we get soil as well.
I think so. We can bring the soil inside. Ang ganito guys, oh, pang ano, pang decorate sa project niya sa English.
I used to miss climbing like all of these rocks.
Kasi landslide yung ano niya, yung topic niya.
Wow! Mommy!
Yes, my
Oh my
love.
god, there's an echo. An echo! Go, go!
Ayan ah. Ito ah. So I think it's enough mama or what?
Yeah, that's enough. You don't need that much branches.
We need to put in the mountain, the one we make. Ganito guys oh. Tignan nyo, maganda yung ginawa kong project ni Kian. Idikit natin ito. Kumbaga parang bundok siya na landslide.
Uy! Oh, crap!
Okay, come.
Okay.
We will find another branches. Opa. Hello.
Yo.
Come here.
Okay.
Dito kami naglalakad ng mga aso
I
kuminsan.
like to climb. I like
Or we will go there first.
Okay.
Be careful my love. Look your shoes. Be careful.
I know.
Here. Wala ba dito? Ah, this one Kian oh. Maganda ito. Ano ba ito? Ipil-ipil? What do you think, Mommy?
Yeah, and Mommy?
What?
Mommy? There's a McDonald's black stick here.
Yeah. What do you think?
Yeah, Yeah, maybe, yeah.
Yeah, maybe, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
I need your opinion because it's your project. It's not my project.
And it looks artificial enough. So, yeah.
Pero baka
Oh
mag-dry
my
siya.
god, I'm touching grass from the first time.
No, it's sticky.
No, it's very...
No. Here, we come here. In that part.
Yeah?
Hello!
So the way over there and here.
Yala ka, that's enough, I think.
Here,
Okay, enough.
Wait.
Come. Na, enough.
let me make 3 pointers.
Yala, come. Come. This one, oh, mommy. What?
I found artificial grass.
Where?
Here.
That's not artificial grass.
It is artificial to me.
Ay, nako.
I'm pretty sure the cats, they ate the pizza, the leftovers, so that's why it's like this, guys.
Yung ganito ba, guys, oh, ilagay natin sa ano.
Oh yeah, go looking for artificial grass.
Yes. I'm coming. Okay. Ito, oh, pwedeng itanim. Landslide kasi yung topic ni Kian. Kaya gumawa ako ng maliit na bundok, tapos anuhin ko siya ng lupa pa. Parang landslide na siya. Maganda yung outcome after. Pakita ko sa inyo.
Mommy, I saw
Yes,
many
yes, too
ladybugs.
much ladybug.
Are ladybugs like
Be careful
say
the kakas.
horse?
No, don't hurt them.
No, mommy, this is their home.
Yes. Excuse me.
I mean, they don't
Excuse
need that
mo.
much branch, do they?
Me and you?
No, hey dog. They don't need that much branch, hey dog, for a house. Okay, I feel this is enough, mommy.
Yeah.
I mean, it's very big for the project.
We will bring like this kind of rocks. One.
Probably stepped on them or
It's brown color, nice. It's like real.
Hello, birds. Can I just touch you? Can I touch you instead? Oh my god, make it up our first ball.
Okay.
Hello,
Ready. Nalala ko lang nag-aaral ako, ganito ginagawa ko. Nakaka-miss mag-aral ba?
I can't believe ladybugs needs this much of radar.
Ipakita ko sa inyo kung ano na yung ginawa ko, guys. Maganda na siya. At na siguro yan. Yala kami na. Let's go.
Mom.
Now your hands dirty?
Yeah.
Why?
Because of the rocks.
Oh, see.
Go on.
Yala, mama.
Mama, I leading the way.
We will go here, from here. We will, this one also, kuya. Yung dry na ano.
Whee!
Yan.
Whee!
Ah! Yoo!
Big fatty rock. Fat rock.
Like this one.
Yeah, come on.
See here.
I was trying to hide this.
Oh, nice. This one we can remove it. You know?
Oh my god, artificial grass.
Yes.
Oh my god. I touched grass for the first time. I'm kidding.
Wait.
Oh, mommy. Oh, you just killed the head. You killed the head, Aslan.
No, we will put the... We will see.
You should cut the soil and
It's okay, Alata.
Hey,
Oh, open it, open.
Mommy, look.
Parang kangkong siya, no?
Yalla. I cannot open it. This is the part I can open.
No, don't destroy.
I'm not destroying.
Yan. Yes, we need to make it beautiful, your project.
Okay. I remember,
Okay, no more here.
I remember there used to be a dog here.
Yala, come. Come. Here coming Kian. This one.
More?
Yeah, we will put in the small house. The tiny house we make. Gumawa ko ng maliit na bahay ba?
You hear that? The woman in a car. Woman in a car. Very good. Okay, Tommy, can we go now?
Yes, let's go. Oh, diba? Oh, diba guys? Very creative si Mami Laura. Yala. Yala po, Ton. Hindi ko naman lahat ito gagamitin. I-ano ko lang ba? Look how nice.
I mean, this is enough to make my
Yes.
my head.
Oh, it's nice the color, Kian. I like it. Yes. It will give color to the... Kuha tayo ng dahon. Tapos i-spread natin sa ano.
Some red leaves.
Yes, very nice the color, red. Okay, pauwi na kami ni Bunso.
Natural.
Nakakuha na kami ng project niya. Gagamitin namin. Husky! Yala po. Kifa.
Yo, Kifi.
Alhamdulillah. Kif Husky.
Good.
Look.
How good. Bye. Yala, likaw.
You saw the husky, how it like kicked?
Yes, how cute. Like you are so cute.
Husky and the golden retrievers are very cute.
All dogs are cute. Hi guys, gumagawa ako ng papaya. Yung seed ng papaya ba? Ginagawa kong tea. Ayan, binoil ko lang siya. And iinumin natin kasi maganda daw ang papaya tea. Papaya seed tea. Kaya gumagawa ako. Dito na yung nakuha namin ni Kian na project. Yung project niya. Ay nako. Ito. Lagay natin dito kasi tawag dito gagawin ko paunti-unti. Nakita ko sa inyo mamaya yung ginawa ko. Ginawa pala namin ni Kian. Hello. Where? Aalis na kami. Hindi, joke lang. Ano? Yung...
Bring a piece of wood or something.
no, it will remove. We get later.
If you keep it long time, it won't.
Don't you worry.
Oh, my neck.
Your wife is Filipina.
That's why I'm so worried.
What happened to my... Ano? Hi guys, nag-aayos kami dito. Kasi yan yung damit na pang winter. Yes.
All of them?
Ilagay na namin yung pang summer. Na. Yes, sabi. Yan, mga yan. Alis na kami. Punta na kami sa Philippines. Soon, uuwi na kami sa Philippines. Yan yung ano, tawag nito. Mga winter clothes namin guys. Ay, summer clothes. Naayos ko na. Be careful ha, it will hit my altar. And then, yan, ito. Mga damit yan sa summer. Naayos ko na ang damit namin sa winter.
شو معك فيه؟
Hi Duli, the small.
Wow. Nice.
Badan fi hayda, keep it lang na I need to put some but the one, yung mga last na nilalabhan ko. It's small only, hi Duli, empty. Hi Duli, oh, free bags. Put on the top, Haida. Ayan, meron pa dito. Tatlo ito. Cute ng bag, no? Ayan. Give space to the two bag.
What the bag?
Hay na dama. Hon,
I will fix it later when it's finished.
Okay. Ay, baby. Okay. Yan, tapos na. Ito, yung mga empty ito. Last na ito, yung mga hindi ko pa nalabhan ba. Ayan. Diyan kami i-imbak ba ng mga gamit. Okay. So, ito na yung project ni Kiantot. Maganda na siya. Naglalagay na kami ng mga artificial glass ba. Yung bahay-bahay, oh. Diba ang cute? Anyway, itong ilalagay ko. Yan yung mountain, pero lalagyan ko ito ng soil. Yan, ganyan. Landslide nga siya. Landslide. Ito na pala yung tea, guys. Yung papaya seed. Tea. Try natin. Sarap naman siya. Okay naman siya. I-try nyo. Sarap. Antioxidant daw. Tapos ano pa yung nabasa ko sa Google. Sa ano na yun? Anti-inflammation ba yun? Okay naman siya. Masarap. Try nyo, guys. Okay.